Welcome today to my company, White Racker Company. It's great to have you here today. We are a CNC machine shop here in Elk Grove Village, Illinois. Actually, the business was started in 1893 by a gentleman named Mr. White, and he invented a device called the Racker, and that's where we get our name, White Racker Company. And my grandfather came into the business and transitioned the business into commercial plumbing. So he started manufacturing commercial plumbing. And I started at a young age sweeping the floor and cleaning out the machines and learning the business from the ground up. And in 1985, my grandfather passed away and I bought the business at that time. Purchased our first SMEC machine back in 2013. It was a 10-inch chuck live tooling machine, SL25 BMC, I believe it's called. We fell in love with that machine. I mean, the machine is great. It is very sturdy, it's box ways, very reliable. A few years after that, we had to replace another machine, and there was no question we were going to buy another SMEC, which is what we did. And then most recently, about 6 months ago, I purchased my third lathe. So now we have three CNC SMEC machines, two 8-inch chucks, and one 10-inch chuck machine with live tooling. Reliability, very reliable, very sturdy. We've had almost no problems with even the one that's from 2013. And that's what you want in a machine. You want a machine that's going to be there every day running. We run 2-jaw work on this machine. We run 3-jaw. We run collet work. It gives us the versatility. It's a nice big envelope. Because we are running different materials every day. Some day it's steel, some day it's brass, some day it's aluminum bronze, brass castings, maybe. So every day we're changing out the scrap that goes below. So we do not use a conveyor system. We have a tray underneath that works for us. And having the big envelope in the machine really helps out in that aspect. All right, well, the pros is it's a boxway machine. We insist on boxway machines. We do not like linear guides. I know everybody makes linear guides or boxways, but one of the first things that I always look at is, does it have a boxway? Boxway machines last longer. They're more rigid. Because you're not going to be having an issue with thermal expansion as much with the boxways as opposed to linear guides, I'm willing to take that, make a better product. And yes, it maybe takes a hair longer, but we're trying to make quality products here. What's the most thing to be a best engineer? Okay, I'm an industrial engineer by trade, college degree in that. I think the most important thing for an engineer is to not get boxed in. And what I mean by that, you've got to think outside the box. Think of the possibilities. Just because it was done that way before, or somebody says it can't be done the other way, having the open-mindedness to experiment, use your imagination. My mind is constantly going, whether I'm waking up in the middle of the night thinking about better ways to do a job or newer ways. That's what I think is the best engineers. I am Iron Man.